Hello, hello, hello. Very good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Yes, I know no voice is there because I have not opened my mic, guys. Very good evening, guys. Am I audible? Yes, very good evening, Rudrashomshi. What about offer letter, guys? I have told na within 4th or 5th July, you will get your offer letters, right? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, today na we are going to discuss about backend, and backend is my favorite, right? Okay, just let me know, guys, how many of you have already joined the previously conducted linear regression class? Let me know. How many of you have joined the previously conducted linear regression class? Okay, no issue, no issue. Those who are enrolled for the Python, the class is only for them. Okay. If you want to learn new things now, you can also see the video. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, do you know my name? What is my name? Anybody can tell me what is my name? Okay, legend, legend, no issue. Okay, the video is already present in the YouTube. You can watch it later. Okay, my name is Rahul Ghosh. Okay, and I will be the instructor for today's backend class. Guys, could you please tell me what is the meaning of backend? Anybody, please let me know what is the meaning of backend. If you heard the word backend, then what do you think? What it will be? Any idea, guys? What is backend? Any idea till now? Okay, okay. The logic going behind the scene. Okay, these are the server that can be worked behind the front end part. Okay, guys, let's take an example. Okay, suppose I think we all have visited any restaurant or cafe, right? So in the cafe, the decoration is really nice. If you entered inside a cafe or a restaurant, na, it looks good, right? Yes, Radhe Radhe. It looks good, right? After that, suppose you want to eat biryani or you want to take a cup of coffee. So you just ordered. After that, the chef will prepare the food for you. Now, you just have to order, right? After that, you don't have to do anything. Yes or no, guys? Let me know. You have to just order, right? You should place an order, and after placing the order, you don't have to do anything. You just wait for a few minutes, and your food will be served in front of you. Am I right or wrong? Let me know, guys, in the in the comment box. Am I right or wrong? Don't worry, guys. We will also do coding for that. Yes. So only chef will know how the food will be prepared, right? You don't have to think about it. You have to eat your food. You have to enjoy that thing. That is the main thing for you, right? So similarly, suppose you want to send me 10 rupees or you want to send me 100 rupees. How you can send? Suppose you know my number. So you have to open the Google Pay or any payment application. After that, you will put my number. So the respective UPI ID will be visible, which will be present against my number, right? After that, you have to put 100. Then you will click send money or send button. You have to put your MPIN. Then the money will be transferred. Now you don't have to think how the money will be transferred, right? So what are the logics or what are the functions are executed behind the scene now? Those things are nothing but called what? Backend, na, guys? Am I right or wrong? Whatever thing I have told now, am I right or wrong? Let me know, guys. Just to think about it. Just think about it as a payment application. You can also consider example like a Flipkart, right? In Flipkart, it will also work similarly. Suppose you want to place something, you just have to add to cart the item. After that, you have to just click. You have to choose any payment method. Just put a. You have to click a button, so your order will be placed. Now you don't have to think how the order will be placed. So in this backend world, we will work only on those things. Okay, behind the scene, how we can write logics. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. Yes, guys, should I start or not? Let me know. Let me know. Should I start or not? Okay, let me share my entire screen, guys, so that you can see my whole screen. Okay, let me know, guys, my screen is visible or not. I think screen visible, right? Okay, guys. First, guys, something you have to install. Like in my previous class, in my front end class, I have told now some batteries we have to install, like Node.js. The Node.js means it's a runtime environment. So the backend we will write using JavaScript, like Node.js Express.js backend. So the code will be written in normal JavaScript, and also we have to execute the server. We have to start the server outside the browser. So whenever we want to execute any JavaScript file outside the browser, now we need a runtime environment. So the runtime environment here we will use Node.js. Got it, guys? Got it? Okay. Now, if you don't know how to install Node.js, no issue. Open a browser. Just open a new tab. Search for Node.js. You will get the website of Node.js. Click here, and after that, just click on the install Node.js button. The executable file will be installed. Got it? Legend, please drink some water. Refresh your mind. Okay. If you see the task list now, they're mentioned that Node.js backend is there. Okay. So by following these steps, you can install the Node.js easily. Got it? Now, guys, one more thing. Like, we want to work with the backend. So first of all, before writing any backend, now we have to initialize the backend. Got it? How we can initialize the backend? Can anybody tell me, guys, in JavaScript how we can initialize the backend? Anybody? If you don't know, no issue. I will tell you how to initialize the backend. Let me know, guys. If you know, just tell me, or if you don't know, just let me know. No, sir, I don't know. Okay, guys. Suppose you want to initialize your backend, right? And we have already installed npm. So the command we have to use, that is npm init. So here init is a utility function. So using this init function, I'm just going to instruct the npm that, hey npm, just initialize. Okay, just initialize. Got it? So if you hit the enter button now, some question it will ask from you, like what will be your backend project name, right? So like here I want to provide a backend project name like my backend, only backend. Now version, you can choose any version like 1.0.1. Description, if you want to provide any description like it is a backend class. Got it? After that, entry point, it is the it is the main thing, guys. Entry point means, guys, it is the only file. The if you execute that file, then your server will be started. That's why the file is called as a entry point. So here I will take the entry point by default. Got it? Like index.js file will be my entry point. So hit the enter button, hit again, hit again. Keywords, I don't want to put any keywords, so hit again. Author, like my name is Rahul, so RG, enter, enter. Here we are not going to use common.js. Okay, if you have already know JavaScript now, so in JavaScript two type of syntaxes are there. like common.js and module.js. Common.js means suppose you have installed express.js, you want to import it. So const express equal to required express. The syntax is called as a common.js syntax. But suppose you want to use the module.js. Module.js means import express from the express package, import mongoose from the mongoose package. That particular syntax is called as a module.js. Are people understanding or not the difference between common.js and module.js? Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's create a file called index.js. Okay, suppose I want to import the express package. So if I talk about the module.js now, so here import what I want to import. I want to import what? Express. From where? From express package. That particular syntax is called as a module.js. Got it? And common.js means suppose const express equal to require express. That particular syntax is called as a common.js. Are the people understanding or not? What is the difference between common.js and the module.js? Yes or no, guys? Let me know. Let me know, guys. Are the people understanding or not? The difference between common.js and module.js. Both are similar, but syntaxes are different. Got it? Now here, guys, if you initialize the npm now, if you notice a file has been generated. The file name is called package.json. It is the only file for your backend configuration. नेहा बेसिकली ना हम वन बाई वन क्लासेस देंगे, राइट? प्रीवियस डे मैंने क्या दिया था? फ्रंट एंड का क्लास दिया था, लेकिन बैक एंड नहीं हुआ था ना. सो फॉर दैट टुडे आई एम टेकिंग द बैक एंड क्लास. Tomorrow again I will take the front end class. So there will be 1 day gap between this 1 day. You can revise all those things. Got it, guys? If I continue the class na, you will not get enough time to revise all those things. Got it, people? Okay, so it is the only file that know the configuration of your entire backend. Now we are going to create our server using express.js. For that now we have to install what? Express package. It's very much easy. How to install a package? The syntax is like we have to use npm. Now you have to tell the npm, hey npm, install something for me. So I want to do what? Installation. For that I have to write install or simple I. After that you have to mention the package name. What package you want to install? So I want to create a very basic server. Am I right or wrong, guys? What I'm going to do? I just want to create a very basic server. Right, guys? Yes or no? So what package I want to install? I want to install the package called Express. Now hit the enter button and just open the package.json file. Here you can see what are the packages you have installed. Means what are the dependencies you have installed. It will be displayed here. Like I have recently installed the Express.js package. So inside the dependency, you can see Express is visible. And what is the version of it? 5.1.0, right? That means I have successfully installed the Express package. Now I am good to go to configure my server. Got it, guys? Got it or not? Let me know. See, guys, in a backend now, like we can write a very beginner level backend. Also, another like next level backend is also there. Like proper folder and file structure will be there. For models, we will create a separate folder. For routes, we will create a separate folder. Everything will be different. And don't worry, I will explain you what is route, what is models, like what is controllers, what is API. Got it, guys? Don't worry. Just let me create a server. Let me show you how to create a server. After that, one by one, I'm going to show you what is the meaning of what is the terminologies are there. Got it, guys? Okay. So first of all, I have already installed the Express package. So without wasting any further time, let's import it, guys. So I want to import what package? Express package. From where? From the Express itself, right? After importing the Express package ना, we have to invoke it. Invoke means हम एक function को कैसे call करते हैं, guys? Like we have to put the function name, then we have to put a pair of parentheses. Got it? So the function will be called. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, here the function name is Express itself. So express and call it means put a pair of parentheses and store it inside a variable. Variable name means const app. So that's my only variable, right? Also, if you know now about backend, so in backend, if you want to start your backend now, so a port number is required. Port number is like it is a entry point in your local system. Using that entry point, you can start your server. Like many port number are there. So just grab any of the port number like const port of 3000, common port. Got it? Now, how to start the server or how to create multiple endpoints? That is the main thing. Okay, endpoint means simple. Endpoint means a destination. Okay, destination means suppose my website is https colon forward slash codexintern.in. It's my website, right? Here, if I put a forward slash and I have, if I write dashboard, that means forward slash dashboard is a location. Okay, means it's a destination, or we can say that it's an endpoint. And on that particular endpoint, some operation will be performed or something will be displayed. Similarly, verify certificates. Verify certificate means if I go to this destination, that means on that destination I can verify my certificate. That is called what? Endpoints. Are the people understanding or not? Endpoint means what? It's a simple destination. If I go to that destination, then something will be performed or something will be displayed. Got it, guys? Are the people understanding or not? What is the meaning of endpoint? Let me know, guys. Yes, yes. Okay. So here, after that, I have to take the app, and on the app, I want to use a method called get method. Very basic method, get. Now, get will take an endpoint. So first endpoint, I will take as a forward slash. Here also I have to pass a function. Got it? And the function will take argument as a request and response. Two things it will take. First will be request and second is response. Now let's understand what is the use case of request. So first of all, request is an object. Okay. Now what is the use case of that object? Suppose from the front end, suppose there is a form in the front end and you have fill up the form. Now you have to send the data to your backend. So from the front end, if you want to grab any data, only on that time using request object, you can grab the data. Got it? Means grabbing the data from the front end. Only on that time we have to use request object. Got it? Suppose from the front end you want to grab some data. For that you have to use the request object. Suppose I want to use the response. So what is response? Response is also an object. Why we should use that object? Send some data to the front end. मीन्स अगर आपको फ्रंट एंड से कोई भी डेटा को लेना है तो आप क्या करोगे? रिक्वेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को यूज करोगे. अगर आप फ्रंट एंड में कोई भी डेटा को सेंड करना चाहते हो, इफ यू वांट टू सेंड सम डेटा टू द फ्रंट एंड, only on that time you have to use the response object. Are the people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Any doubt till now? Why we should use the request object? Why we should use the response object? Got it, guys? Yes, yes, yes. Now simply I want to send some data, normal, like return response dot send. Multiple ways are there, like you want to say, you can send JSON data, you can send normal text data. Got it? So I just want to send some normal data, like welcome to my home page. Got it? That's a simple data, right? Now I have created my server. Got it? I have created my server, but I have not started my server. Got it? If I have not started my server, then I cannot go to that particular route or endpoint. Got it, guys? Got it? Yes, you can also grab the data from the backend. Suppose you want to perform authentication. So while you are going to perform authentication, like JWT authentication, on that time you are going to store the data also inside the request object. So it's like a middleware. Before going to a particular destination, you have to perform the authentication. It will check the token. If the token is present, it will add the user object into the request object. Now, when you will go to that particular destination, it will again grab the request object and it will take the data from the request object. Got it? So it is not at all correct that always we can take the data from the front end. We can also grab the data from the back end also. Okay, but most scenarios we can grab the data from the front end. Okay, now I have to start my server. How to start? Simple, guys. App, I'm just going to tell my app, hey app, just listen. Whatever configuration I have written now, you have to listen that thing, and it will take two things. First, what port I have to use, because I have to use a port now. If I don't use a port, how I can start my server? Got it? Are you people understanding or not? If I do not pass the port number, then how the server will be started? So I have to pass the port number. Also, a function you can pass. It's not a mandatory. If you pass the function, that means you can understand whether your server is started or not. Like server is running. That's it, guys. That's it. If you write this much of code, na, you can easily create a server. Easily. Now let's execute the index.js file. So node index.js. Okay, what is the issue? What is the issue? Cannot use import statement outside a module. Okay, okay. Common JS. Let me make it as a module JS. Now my server will be started. See, message is there now. Server is running. That means the server is started. Now, guys, two things you have to remember. First is the port number, and second is the what is the destination you have provided here. Two things you have to remember. First, what is the port number? Second, what the destination you are using. Now go to your browser, open any of the tab and write localhost colon the port number. What is the port number? 3000. And what is the destination? Forward slash. Hit the enter button. See the message. Welcome to my home page. That means your server is working perfectly. And see, you can see the output in your browser. That means your server is working. Are you people understanding or not? How to create a server? It's a very easy to create a server using Express. Let me know, guys. Are you people understanding or not? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know. Any doubt? Till any doubt is there, guys? Let me know, people. Any doubt, guys? Okay, I think you have understood, right? Okay, okay. So let's create more endpoints. Okay, like again, I want to perform login operation. So app.get. What will be my endpoint? Forward slash login. So in this forward slash login, I can perform my login operation. Now again, I have to use a function, right? And the function will take two argument like request object and response object. Here I'm just going to return my response object. Also, I have to send some data. What data I want to send? It is the login page. That is the only data I want to send. Got it, guys? That is the only data I want to send. So here you can see I have created another endpoint. And if I go to that endpoint, what message will be displayed? The message is called it is the login page. Now you have to stop your server and restart it. Got it? Again, here if I write forward slash login, see the message. It is the login page. It's what? It is the login page. That means my endpoint is working correctly. And if I go to that endpoint now, I can see my data. The data is also visible. Yes or no, guys? Let me know. Data is visible now. That means my backend is working correctly now. Yes or no, guys? Let me know. It's visible now. Okay, okay. So now we have understood how to create a server, right? It's a pretty easy to create a server. Okay. Now, guys, let's discuss about how to connect a database or not. Let me know, guys. Should I move forward to the database section? How can I connect my database? Okay. In this backend series, now the database that I'm going to use that is called basically MongoDB, NoSQL database. Okay. Are you people excited or not? Let's do database connection, guys. Okay, okay. So for connecting the database now, also we have to use another package or another uh, like a module. We can say that the module name is what? Can anybody tell me, guys? If I want to connect my backend, means my Node.js backend with a MongoDB database, then what package I have to use? Anybody have any idea, guys? Let me know if you have any idea. What package should I use here? Please let me know, guys. What package should I use here? Okay, the package name is Mongoose. Mongoose is works like a bridge between your backend and your server. Like whatever request you are going to send your database now, Mongoose will take it, process it, and it will send to your database. So that is the work of Mongoose. Okay, how to install the Mongoose? Simple. npm I or install Mongoose. 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 So using Mongoose now, you can easily configure your database. Means you can easily connect your database. Okay, so it has been installed. Let's create another file, and inside that file, I will configure my database. Got it? I will connect my database and I will also configure the database. For that, we have to import the package called Mongoose, right? And simply we will create a function called connect db, means db connection. Got it? And here, guys, let me know if I want to connect the database or if I want to send some request to the database, does the process will take some time or not? Let me know. If I want to communicate with my database, then the process will take some time or not, because the database is not present near our house, right? It will be present kilometers far away from our home, right? So for communicating with my database, it will take some time. Means we have to make this a function as a asynchronous function. Async, async keyword we have to use here. Otherwise, my database I cannot communicate with my database because the database is present far away from me. I have to send the request. The request will go through the internet. After that, it will take the database. Database will process it. It will send the response. The response will come back through the internet. After that, I will grab the response. So the process is really time consuming. For that, I have to make this function as a asynchronous function. Are the people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. And simply, I'm going to export it. Export default connect DB. Got it? And now, guys, I am going to show you how you can create a free cluster on MongoDB, like 512 MB of cluster. That will be very much more than efficient, more than enough for your any project. So just I have opened a new account, right? So that I can show you how to connect the database or how to create a cluster. Got it? Here, just search for mongodb.com. What? mongodb.com. So directly you will be redirected to the website of MongoDB, the official website of mongodb.com. Got it? Guys, let me know, are you people understanding or not this concepts? I know it will be like it will be heavy for you, because just because it is not a it is not a course, guys. It's a normal class for 2 to 3 days. It will be conducted, right? So I'm trying my level best to complete more topics, more topics on that. So just because I have not created any account till now, that's why I will create on get started button. Okay. After that, some interface will be open in front of me. Okay. Now simply I am going to sign up using my Google account. So click on the sign up with Google button. Here you can see the email ID. Click on that. Okay, continue. It will take some time, guys. So please keep patience. Okay, just mark the checkbox. Click on the submit button. It will take some time, guys. Okay, now it will redirect you to another page. Okay, guys, you don't have to put any details of here you don't have to put any details. You will get a button called skip personalization. Just click on the button, click personalization. Okay, now guys, you will get multiple options like M10 Flex. Okay, M10 is the stateless server. Stateless server means uh, you have to pay only for using the database. Means suppose you are going to make a request, so you have to pay for that only request. You don't have to pay for the entire database, right? Not manage document with Node.js. It will help you to connect the database. Got it? Okay, you can use any of the provider like GCP, Azure, or AWS. Okay, I don't want to check it like preload sample data, create a deployment. Okay, so here guys, you have to put a password. I will put a simple password like 2025. Then create on the create database user. It's a lengthy process, I know, and close it. Now, guys, main important point: you have to make your database globally accessible. Otherwise, you will not be able to connect your database. So, at the left bottom side, you can get an option called network access. Not okay, guys. Network access. Click on the network access button. Here, you will get edit button. Click on the edit button and click on the allow access from anywhere, so that now you are making your database globally accessible. So from any of the location you can access your database. It will take some time. Here is the status pending, right? After a few moments you can see the status will be success. Now come back to the clusters. Here, okay, it has been created. Yes, it has been created. Now guys, click on the connect button. Okay, click on connect. So it will open something in front of you, and choose the compass option. Compass, got it? The third one, compass. Click on the compass and just copy the URL, guys. What are the URL is there now? Just copy it. That's it. You have created your free cluster. Also, you have copied the URL. Now you are good to go to connect your database. Okay, now guys, are you people understanding or not? Let me know how to create a free cluster. Are you people understanding or not? Tell me. After that, we will connect our database. Yes, hello, Aniruddhan, Ashok. Are you people understanding or not, guys? How to create a database in a MongoDB.com, the free cluster, right? So if you want to create any project now, you can use that cluster. Got it? It's a more than enough for any of the project for you guys. Okay. Now, guys, what I want to do, I want to connect. What I want to connect, I want to connect my database. So I have told now, whatever database operation you want to perform, you have to take the mongoose. So first of all, let's take the mongoose and tell mongoose, I want to connect. So put a dot and write connect. Got it? Connect. So here I have taken the mongoose and I have told, hey mongoose, connect the database. Now mongoose will ask, okay, I will connect to database, but tell me what database I have to connect. Now you have to put that particular URL. Okay, just paste it here. Now mongoose can identify what database I have to connect. Now guys, very much important thing. Here you can see two angle brackets are there, and between the angle brackets a db underscore password is there. You have to mention your password, whatever password you have created. Now you have to mention here, like I have used my password like 2025, so put 2025 here. Also, please mention a database name inside the cluster. What database you are going to create, you have to mention here, like I want to create temp database. Got it? Temp. So after the forward slash, put a temp and store the response inside a variable called, let's take it temp. And don't forget to put await, because if I want to connect my database now, it will take some time to connect. That's why I have to tell that this request will be an awaiting request. Got it? And after connecting the database here, simply I'm going to console log. What I want to console log? Temp dot connection dot host means what is the host name of my database. If the database is being connected now, I can easily grab my host name, right? So just I want to print the host name so that I can understand my database is connected. Now if you simply use this code, you can connect your database, but the best practice is, please wrap this all those please wrap in the entire code by using a try catch block. It's a safe practice. Okay, put the code inside the try block. Inside the catch block, just console dot, not log, we will use error. So error, from the error I will take what? Message. Okay, so if you use only this much of code, you can easily connect your database. Now let me know, guys, are you people understanding or not? And very much important concept is why here I have used a question mark, right? What is the use of the question mark? It is called optional chaining. Optional means if no error is there, it will not take the message. If the message field is present inside the error, it will take it. Got it? That's why I have used the question mark here. Are people understanding or not how to connect a database? It's very much easy, guys, to connect the database. Like you have to write just one, two, three, four line of code. If you write four line of code, you can connect your database easily. Now I have written the function, right? Let's connect the database. How to connect it? Here you can see I have export the function defaultly. Let's come back the index.js, import it here, import connectdb, and here guys, please don't forget to put the extension .js, otherwise your file will not be executed, it will throw the reference error. Okay, now I will remove it. And I hope guys you all know the concept of promise, right? Promise, do you know promise guys? Let me know. If you don't know, I will give you a very funny example. Let me know guys, do you know the concept of promise in JavaScript? If you have any idea, let me know guys, let me know. Any idea guys regarding promises? Okay, promise means, suppose you have a friend, so you have promised your friend that I will bring my lunch today. So now two things can be happen, either you will keep your lunch with you, otherwise you will not keep your lunch, right? So if you bring your lunch, that means successfully you have kept your promise. If you don't bring your lunch, that means you have not fulfilled the promise. Similarly, suppose some actions I want to perform. If the action has been performed, then do some other task. If the action is not performed, then do another task. Similarly, here I want to do like, if my database is connected, if my database is connected, then only start my server. And if the database is not connected, then don't start my server. Got it or not? Okay, so first of all I have to call the connect db, then put a dot, then inside the then it will take a function. Inside the function, what I want to do, simply I want to start my server. And also I want to put some messages like console log db connected successfully. Got it? That's it. If my database connection operation will not perform, only on that time I have to use another section called catch. Inside the catch you will get what, you have to write a function. Inside the function you will get error, and just console dot error, take the error and take what message you want to print. That's it guys, that's it. That is the database connection. Okay, it's an efficient connection. Let's run the server without wasting any further time. Let's run the server. Okay, okay, see guys, see the message in the terminal. First of all, if you notice now, here I have console log something, means my host name. So see, here is my host name. If the host name is being printed, that means my database connection has been established successfully. So only on that time my server will be started. Before the server is started, some message has been displayed now, db connected successfully. After that server is running, that means I have kept my promise. Are people understanding or not? Let me know. Let me know. Still, if you have any confusion, please ask me guys, ask me. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Okay, now I have to go my browser here. See, login is working still. See, forward slash is working. Welcome to my home page, right? Everything is working here. It's the login page. Everything is working. And also my server is running. And my database has been connected. Please let me know. Still have any doubt, guys? Have any doubt? Let me know. After that, I will start some theory concept. Not theory, some configuration that are very much relevant to the Express server. Like you have to put some configuration. If you do not put the configuration, na, then you will not be able to get the data from the front end. Okay, and you have to tell that what the front end can access your backend. Like some security you have to implement, like codes. cross origin resource sharing. Also, you have to implement those things. You have to mention that whether you want to use the cookie parser or not. Got it? Many things are there. Let me know, guys, till now if you have any doubt or not. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Any question, any doubt, guys, let me know. Please let me know, guys, if you have any doubt. After that, we will move forward to the configuration part. Guys, till now, have any doubt? Okay, I think you don't have any doubt, right? So let's put some configuration on our backend. Okay. Now, simply we are going to put some very few configurations. Very few means, uh, suppose I want to receive the data from the front end. So by following two ways, we can accept it. Like the first way is via URL. Means if I send some data via URL, so from that URL I can grab the data. Am I right or wrong, guys? Let me know. After that, manually I can send the JSON data from the front end. So in this two, by following these two ways, na, you can send the data to the from the front end to back end. Now I have sent the data, but my server doesn't know from where I can receive the data. So I have to tell that, hey server, please use some configuration. Means you have to take the express. From the express, you will get URL encoded. So that's the first configuration, URL encoded. That means if you send some data via URL, suppose it's my URL https:// codexintern.in/? ID equal to 110110, right? 110110. So here you can see via URL I have sent some data, means I have sent an ID. So now my backend should accept that ID. Now if I use express.url encoded, that means now my backend can grab the data from the URL easily, right? Second configuration is app.use express.json. Means suppose I have fill up the form in front end, and the form contains this kind of data, like a JSON file is there. Okay, inside the JSON file, here is my name, some name will be there, also age will be there, like a 10. Okay, in this manner data is there, and I'm going to send the data in this manner to the backend. Now if I use the express.json, now my backend will understand that now I can grab the JSON data also. Are you people understanding or not? Please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Are you people understanding or not? What is the meaning of URL encoded and what is the meaning of a JSON? Any doubt, guys, till now? Please let me know if you have any doubt. Why we should use URL encoded JSON? Okay, one more important configuration is there. Let's take an example of Facebook.com. Okay, suppose in Facebook you have an account. Now also you have a profile picture. Now you want to update your picture. So now if you want to update your picture, now you have to send a picture first. So after uploading the picture from the front end, the picture should store for a few moment in the back end. So in the back end, in where, means in some place the image will be stored. So for that I have to tell my server that if you receive any image or any static file, then you should store it in some folder, inside some folder. So again, app.use express dot static means what are the static files you want to store. You can mention like inside which folder. Suppose public folder. Inside the public folder, I want to store all my static files. Got it? Inside the public folder, I want to store my static files. That's why I have to use express.static. That's it, guys. That's it. Today we are going to configure only that much of area. We are not going to restrict our backend. Okay, we are not going to tell that I'm going to use the cookie parser. I want to use the cookies also, right? Many middlewares are there. Right now, I don't want to use them. Till now, guys, let me know. Have you got a very small idea about how to create a server, how to configure the server, also how to create a cluster in MongoDB.com, also how to connect the server? Let me know, guys, if you have any confusion or not. That's it. That's it, guys. That is the topic for today's topic, guys. Any doubt? Are you people understanding or not, guys? Let me know first of all. Let me know, guys. Are you people understanding or not? Anyone, guys, please let me know. These concepts are understandable or not? Hello, 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 guys. Am I audible, guys? Let me know. Am I audible or not? Please let me know, guys. Are you people understanding or not, guys? Anybody, anyone, guys, please let me know. So that is the topic that we have covered today, like basics of backend using Express server, how you can create a backend. Okay, I have you have understood. Also, we have created a free cluster, and you can also use that cluster for your further projects. It will be more than enough for any kind of project. Like if you're going to build any uh, CRS, CMS, or uh, any other application, like very small application or very big application. So if you want to store any normal text data, so MongoDB will be more than enough for you. And suppose you want to store your images or your videos or your static files, you can use separate CMS applications like Cloudinary, like a Google Drive, Mega Drive, okay, Hub Drive. Those drives are there. You can store the images. Got it, guys? Any doubt till now? Let me know, guys. Till now, any doubt is there? Are people understanding or not? Let me know. Okay, okay. I think you guys have understood all those things, right? Okay, okay. So that's all about today's backend class, guys. Tomorrow again, front end will be there at the same time from the 9 p.m. Got it? And also uh, maybe the Python class will be there. Maybe, right? Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining today's class, guys. I hope you have understood. If you have not, if you have any kind of doubt now, you can directly contact me or you can also put a comment so that we can solve your doubt. Got it, guys? Okay, thank you for joining today's class, everyone, and a very, very good night to all of you. I'm Rahul Ghosh and signing off right now. Thank you, guys.